Hello, Sterling, Texas.
The National Weather Service in San Angelo has issued a severe thunderstorm
Okay, not what I'm...
warning for Sterling County in west central Texas until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:01 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southwest of Sterling City, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Sterling City around 7:10 p.m. Central Standard Time. Vroom around 7:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for west central Texas. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows.